Unit number niyo po, ma'am. Straight ahead po.
Seven, 6, 5, 4.
Sorry ho. Pasensya na ho kayo. I'm sorry. Masyado ba akong late?
Not really, maaga lang kami.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Maraming salamat sa pagbalik niyo dito.
Naniniwala kaming lahat na nadadaan naman sa magandang usapan. You call a meeting and that's why we're here.
Maraming salamat, Miss Mateo. All we need is another chance.
Excuse me, ma'am. We're about to take off. You have to turn your cell phone off.
Paano kung ayoko?
Ma'am?
Ang sabi ko, paano kung ayoko? Sabi mo.
If it's okay with you, ako po mismo magpapatay ng cellphone niya.
I would like to apologize about the decision to lay off mostly senior cabin crews, aged 40 and above. Alam ko, it offended you. I'm really sorry. Next, we want to offer you a separation pay. Pero sana, maintindihan niyo po na since it is a takeover and a buyout, prerogative ng bagong pamunuan kung sino ang mariretain at sino ang matatanggal sa bagong Eagle Airways. Nagsara yung dati. Nagbukas na bago. Ganun lang kasimple.
What Mr. Hilario is saying is that your class case against Eagle Airways will not prevail dahil nasa kamay na ng bagong management ng kumpanya ang full control ng financial at ng human resources. Kaya nagsaaksaya lang kayo ng pera kung itutuloy ng kaso laban sa amin.
Sa katunayan, wala kayo dapat makakuha. But, for humanitarian reasons, I proposed mabigyan kayo ng separation pay for each year of your service. I hope that's fair enough. And most of all, you are all welcome to apply again for any other position at Eagle Airways. Hindi ko na nasabi to noon dahil nag-walkout na kayo after our meeting. And I was such a jerk. I'm sorry.
Siya sa akin. Para kapag pinansin ko na siya, para siyang asong ulo na gagawin lahat ng gusto ko.
I think you love this girl, Marge. But first, you have to break up with this girl, Aurora.
It's complicated.
Bakit maiit yung dugo niya sa akin? Ano ako sa kanya? Nagsiselos kasi yun sa'yo. Ba't mo na nai-insecure yun?
Aurora, listen to me. You can do anything that you want. Basta huwag mo lang kalilimutan na being within si Rico for your sake and most especially for the sake of the company.
Hi, Bianca. May ipapagawa sa'yo si Miss Aurora. Wala akong gagawin na hindi parte ng trabaho ko, Melanie. Well, I think gagawin mo naman ang isang to dahil dito nakasalalay ang karir mo at ng piloto mong nobyo sa Eagle Airways.